Welcome to Fuel for the Soul Season 3 with Darrius Garrett, where in just a few minutes, we reset the mindset, recharge the spirit, and refocus the heart. These are bite-sized messages with life-sized impact. Motivational Mondays to push you forward, Wisdom Wednesdays to steady your steps. No long lectures, just truth, encouragement, and fuel for the journey. Now, let's get into your motivation and wisdom with Darrius Garrett.
Hey everybody, happy Monday morning. I recognize joy doesn't just fall out of the sky. It's not some kind of magic pixie dust that suddenly lands on you and make everything feel better. Joy is something that you have to go and find, go and get. And I know that sounds super simple, but it's powerful too at the same time. Because for me, sometimes joy looks like getting in my car, turning my music all the way up, and just letting myself breathe. No destination, no pressure. Just sound, movement, and a moment to remember that I'm alive, y'all. Did you guys know, according to the American Psychological Association, that dancing releases endorphins and reduces stress, which can immediately boost your mood? And did you know that research cited by Harvard Health shows that even smiling for a little while can trigger your brain to release and feel a good chemical that's connected to happiness and gratitude? I think that's so dope, man. Like, that is super cool. So in other words, joy often shows up after you move, not before. So today, don't wait on joy. Go look for it. Go get it. Create it. Chase it. Protect it. Because joy isn't found by accident. It's found on purpose. So do me a favor and make this Monday motivational for those around you, those you love, and the person you should love as well, yourself.
Thanks for tuning into Fuel for the Soul with Darrius Garrett. Follow, like, and share this podcast with someone who needs a word today. Connect with I am Darrius Garrett on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. And remember, you don't need a perfect past to spark a powerful future. Stay grounded, stay grateful, stay fueled.